Hope, I don't give fucking hope, man. Hope you gonna pay your goddamn rent. Hope your car work. Come on, man, ain't nothing but bullshit.
No, I'm just saying. I think a lot of black people are being brainwashed.
It ain't got nothing to do with them.
Okay.
In here.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dream Eyes here for another one. Today we're gonna swim into this Little Mermaid movie. Remember, loveliftlife.com. Go get your spiritual tools, family. Reprogram or deprogram your subconscious mind. Symbols are the language of the subconscious mind. loveliftlife.com. Donate to PayPal. lovelifelifeworld@gmail.com. Thanks for y'all support and light. Rebellious 16-year-old mermaid Ariel is fascinated with life on land. On one of her visits to the surface, which are forbidden by her controlling father, King Triton, she falls for a human prince. Determined to be with her new love, Ariel makes a dangerous deal with the sea witch Ursula to become human for 3 days. But when plans go awry for the star-crossed lovers, the king must make the ultimate sacrifice for his daughter. Ariel is tired of having the magical mindset and duties of a mermaid. Ariel's dad, demigod Triton, is the ruler of the sea and is trying to guide her young daughter in the right way into consciousness. A demigod is someone who is trying to figure this thing out. Someone who knows there's more to this thing and wants to find out the mysteries of themselves. Half human, half God. Just like in Coming to America, Simi represented that semi-consciousness. Ready to go back home to the greatest greatness, Zamunda. In Ariel's case, she is ready to be human and bask in all the material items and worldly pleasures. Being a chaos being is not easy. You are alone most of the time. Nobody understands you. You have to read books and study about yourself. Your house and home is completely built on programming your subconscious mind. It's some work being a chaos being. Not only that, you have to try to conform to the human way of life when you step outside of public or go to your jobs. The thing is, you would have it no other way. See, being a chaos being is already in you. You cannot go back. It's an innate energy in you and is pushing you to find out more and more about yourself every day. And you know what? We love it. We can't get enough of it. It's a true calling of who we are. Just imagine yourself going back to conforming to the society. Watching TV and drinking your beer, eating all types of food and letting the society dictate how you move. No, can't happen. It's too late. You are engulfed in your spiritual practices. Just imagine you as a conscious being trying to fit into society again. Ugh. You would cringe every time you tried. Now, I'm not saying you can't enjoy these worldly pleasures as a chaos being. I'm saying don't try to turn human now when you're already knee deep in this thing. As Ariel gave her voice to Ursula to become human. Ariel wants to be human and be rooted to the world of humanly things. Her vibration and energy is vibrating from the root chakra. She gives up her throat chakra and can't speak her truth. We know that the throat chakra is where we speak things into existence. It's not only to speak clearly with ease, but to speak our heart's desire into this world. A good way to do this is with affirmations and emotions.
Well, I hope that's true.
Ain't no hope. No, I don't give fucking hope, man. Hope. Hope you gonna pay your goddamn rent. Hope your car work. Come on, man. Ain't no but bullshit.
No, I'm just saying. I think a lot of black people are being brainwashed.
It ain't got nothing to do with them.
Okay.
In here, if you say I'd like to go to Paris this year, but I can't afford, you just told 75 trillion cells to see to you don't get to Paris. Huh? That's who you are. And when you find that out, huh? When you find that out, when they told me I had the worst cancer you can find, huh? I told my son, Doc, I said, don't show that to your mother, till after your sister get married. Then I gave it a report. How could they do this? I said, bitch, you better get out of here. You think I'm leaving this pussy here for your high school sweetheart? You out your mind. I ain't going nowhere. I know I'm not going nowhere. If you hope don't work. You never heard no rich, powerful motherfucker say hope.
Make sure you're singing your affirmations with all your heart unto the world. Don't be scared. Scream that shit out. Make that intention manifest. Make manifest. Y'all know, universe, one song. This is a musical universe and everything and every action is based on your vibration. Scream to the top of your lungs and pull your intentions down here. Damn near about to have a headache you trying to make manifest. That's good though, because all you're doing is tapping into the subconscious mind which shapes and forms your reality. Look at that Soulja Boy and Tekashi 6ix9ine of the world. Trump and Adrian Broner. They're speaking their truth loud and clear, and the sheeple are laughing at them. But meanwhile, they're the most viewed people right now because they're speaking their heart's desire. And they don't care what people think. People are watching them and attracted to their energy because they are not staying quiet. They're letting people know that they are the shit and this will happen and so on and so forth. Now, obviously they are ignorant and don't know the science. Well, I don't know about Trump. He might know something. But they are tapped into a tiny part of the science unconsciously. What about you? What's your excuse? Spirituality first, remember? Speak your truth. Shout that shit out. Don't hold back your heart's desire to make others feel comfortable. You know the science. You're a chaos being. Tap into your power by keep pushing on. Remember, everything is energy. Dream wise.